All right, that's how you change the AC hard line. That's this one right here that I'm tracing, that goes all around the car. You can see it, it's got the pressure sensor there, and then it goes out to the condenser out here. How to change it, I'm gonna just tell you what we did. We took away the air box, we took away the 2 coolant hoses. We actually lifted, you don't see it anymore, but we lifted the clutch slave cylinder out of the way. We unbolted the 2 14mm bolts and lifted it up out of the way. And this other hose right here, that one that's loose, we actually removed that too while we were working. So basically remove the 2 coolant hoses, the clutch slave cylinder and hose, back that out of the way, back the other AC line out of the way, which is going to be the low pressure line. And you're also going to remove the bracket right here for the fuel lines and move those guys out. So that and the air box. It's just a rough overview, and then you got to kind of wrestle it in. You can bend the tube. This material is okay with being bent. It won't pop a leak. At the factory, they bent some pretty sharp bends into it using pipe bending equipment. But if you're repeatedly folding it back and forth, the material will start to shear. So, you know, bend it as little as possible, but a little bit's fine. And you got to kind of just wrestle it in. Now, these lines are almost certainly installed without an engine in the car, so it's very simple for them to mount it up. But us here, we mounted it with the engine because of the odd circumstance where the battery cover broke loose and jammed in there and popped it. These lines are kind of expensive. You got to buy them on eBay from stripped cars or buy a new one at the dealer. It's like $500, but we got one for like $115 on eBay. Someone stripped it from a crashed car. They don't really sell them at AutoZone or Rock Auto or anything because they just rarely break. There's not really a reason for them to break. This one just broke because of that metal piece coming loose and jabbing into it. But yeah, no, here it is. It's all mounted up. So that's a quick summary of what's removed. Airbox, all the hoses on the back end. It's really impossible to slide in without removing those hoses. You see a lot of AC delete videos. Those guys kind of manhandled it out. Yeah, we got it out all right, but getting it in, no, you got to take that stuff out of the way. So, you know, move the stuff out of the way, take your time, bend it as minimally as possible. We also loosened this guy up while we were working as well, but I don't know if that was necessary. But yeah, no, that's that.